This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking essentials. Make sure your phone has tethering rights and enough data left. This prevents sudden cutoffs. Next, charge the phone above 50% or keep it plugged in because tethering drains battery fast. Now enable the mobile hotspot or USB tethering in settings and set a clear password. On the PC, open the Wi-Fi menu or plug the phone via USB, then select your phone's SSID and enter the password to begin the connection. Once connected, optimize the link so you get stable speeds and minimal data waste. Change the hotspot band. Pick 5 GHz for faster throughput if both devices support it, otherwise use 4 GHz for better range. Limit the number of clients and enable WPA2 or WPA3 to keep freeloaders out. On the PC, mark the network as metered to stop large updates and check DNS settings if sites load slowly. These tweaks conserve data and improve browsing. To complete the setup, disconnect any devices you don't need and watch your data usage so you don't hit limits unexpectedly. If the connection dies, restart either the phone or the PC, then toggle the hotspot. That often clears transient issues. If speed is poor, run a quick speed test. Switch to the other Wi-Fi band or plug in via USB tethering for a steadier link. One tip: if problems persist, check for carrier throttling or airplane mode interference and adjust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.